Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add multiple calendars on Calendly. So the first thing that you of course need to do is go to calendly.com and you'll be greeted by a website like this. Now after that, you just need to go and log into your profile or go register if you already don't have one. But of course guys, if you don't know how to do this, you can go to our channel to check out how you can go and register. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top left corner, as you can see, we have the create button, event types, schedule events, contacts, workflows, routing and analytics, and we also have some admin center and all of those things there. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add multiple calendars on Calendly. It is pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps. So guys, the first thing that you need to do is, of course, you need to go and navigate to the calendar sync page. So basically what you need to do, as I said, you have to go and navigate to the calendar sync page. When you're in the calendar sync page, guys, what you need to do, you need to go and from the drop down menu in the top right corner of your Calendly account, you can go and find it, of course, there. So basically, which is here, guys, calendar sync, basically click there. From there, guys, you can connect your calendar accounts from any of our integrated platforms in just a few clicks. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.